Hi there, Roderick McRandall of RAM Legal Services Ontario here, a paralegal licensed with the Law Society of Ontario. The idea of small claims court goes back to the British Debtors' Court of 1606, more than 400 years ago. In 1792, this became the Court of Requests, and in the 19th century, the Division Court, which it would remain until 1970 when it was finally established as the Small Claims Court. And they meant small. Initially, the largest amount you could claim was $400. This increased in 1977 to 1,000, 26 years later to 6,000, 8 years after that to 10,000, and in 2010 to $25,000. Most recently, the upper limit for claims in the small claims court was set at $35,000 in January of 2020. While there has been a lot of inflation during the last 50 years, the increase in the amount of claims permitted through the small claims court has exceeded inflation by almost 8 times. In 1970, claim limits in the small claims court were less than 10% of the average annual income. Today's claim limit is more than 75% of the average annual income. Why have governments allowed such an increase? Because the cost of legal services has been growing out of reach of ordinary people. The small claims court is sometimes known as the People's Court. It's a venue where people can represent themselves or get professional legal representation that is not unaffordable for many. In small claims court, costs for professional legal representation are basically capped at 15% of the amount of the claim. In Superior Court, where claims in excess of $35,000 are heard, the Courts of Justice Act leaves the question of costs up to the discretion of the court, meaning there is no prescribed upper limit to costs. If you're seeking to reclaim money owed to you through the small claims court and you need professional legal assistance, contact me, Roderick McRandall, at RAM Legal Services at 613-553-4540 or drop me an email at roderick.mcrandall@ramlso.ca. And let's see if I can't help to balance the scales of justice for you.